Akala ko ba sa Disneyland?
Joke yun. Disney. Kasi nga Disney princess.
Sabi mo natanggap siya sa Disneyland.
Kasi nga Disney princess.
Sasabihin ko pa naman, dalhin tayo sa Disneyland. This is the Gen Z challenge. Hi Gen Z, if you're watching, you're tuning into Disney Channel.
Dun, 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 dun.
This is the Gen Z challenge, prepared by Any Live PH team. Hi, my name is Ayan.
Hi, Gen Z. Nice to meet you. I'm Claire. Hi, Gen Z. This is Glenn.
We will say good luck, Gen Z, with different emotions.
Pero sa'yo, I love you.
We love you, Gen Z, but for the content, it's better to do good luck, Gen Z. Okay? Supportive. Good luck, Gen Z! Good luck, Gen Z!
Good luck, Gen Z. Good luck, sis.
Okay, angry. You bleep. Hey, you! Good luck, Gen Z!
Is that angry?
Rar.
Gen Z, good luck.
You. Good luck, Gen Z.
Cannot report
Good luck, Day.
Okay, good luck, Gen Z, having an LBM. Tatay.
How do you do that?
Good luck, Gen Z!
Gen Z. Oh, good luck.
Oh.
Gen Z. Good luck. Natatay ito, Claire. I don't do. Sorry. I don't do that kasi. Gen Z. Good luck.
Good luck. Crying. Good luck, Gen Z, crying.
Isang ano, Miss?
Good luck, Gen Z. Good luck.
Alam mo maganda na. May simple. Di ba?
Gen Z. Gen Z.
Gen Z ah.
Good luck.
Korean na, Gen Z na.
Opa yan.
Opa. Ah! Gen Z! Good luck! Gen Z! Good luck!
Ito na lang, if Gen Z is a Samsung gadget, what would she be? Gen Z is like, if you are a Samsung product, you will be SKU L55 yung code. AR50 CTZ HWXYZ. You are like an S26 series. Okay, series. Because to us, you are Project Miracle. You are like a miracle to me.
Gen Z is Samsung smartwatch because we don't have much time together. Oh, it's my first day.
If Gen Z was a Samsung product, the Fold, because you're so wide. You're new, fresh, and expensive.
You're the highest,
Serve now, pay later.
If Gen Z is a Samsung product, for me, she's a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Because I know our conversations will always be private display.
Serious naman.
Because we have a lot of secrets together.
Okay.
We gossip a lot.
Filipino food? Gen Z, Filipino. Sisig.
What's sisig in English? Pork.
You Google. Yung ChatGPT and Gemini. You use that. Sisig. Because she is sizzling hot. And spicy.
Crispy pata. You're crispy.
Kasi?
Wala kang maisip. Crispy na.
If Gen Z was Filipino food, tamarind soup, sinigang, because you make me asim kilig. Sour, kind of sour.
Your armpit smells sour.
What kind of feral video is this?
Oh, if Gen Z is a Filipino food, she's rice. Because she's always hungry. Sinandomeng ka, girl.
Basmati.
Oh, basta kanin, you're rice. You're kanin ka, girl.
Kanin na malagkit.
Because she eats like a construction worker.
Jincy, because you are leaving us, this song is for you. Ako mo nang bubuksan. Ni Junali. Hear my Chinese song. 虽然不曾快意你，爱是胆大不敌。哦，深深迷到那个唯一，原谅我。快意 to interpretative dance。我明白，我要的爱会把我宠坏。爱像一个小孩，只能在你怀里怀。你要的爱，不只是依赖。爱像个大男孩，不自由的晒，手不自由 to open the basket. Yes. We miss you. Ay, ano ba yan? Wa ay ni Jincy. Woman ay ni. Okay. This is a sad song. I will, change music.
Tagalog ba yan?
Oo. Paano tayo? Dong digi-digi dong tayo kay Jincy.
甜蜜蜜，你像一甜蜜蜜，好像花儿开在阵风里，开在阵风里。在桃花。你的笑容这样是自己，我一时想不起。不记得。
Paano steps ng dito?
Sino mas ayaw ng ano dyan?
Anong step?
Mapapaulala, mapapaulala sa giling ko.
Ay, kupa.
Dong digi 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 dong digi 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 dong digi digi dong 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 digi 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 dong digi 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 dong. Di ko na alam.
Sige na tayo.
Pag ako pinili mo,
Ay,
alam
ganun talaga.
ko Sinta. Sinta.
May mic na kami.
Meron kami dito.
Meron sa Marito.
Ganda. Pag akong minahal, bubuka ang bulaklak. O, ikaw naman.
Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan na.
Para lang sa'yo, ang Jincy ko. 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 Mapapaulala. Mapapaulala ang Jincy.
No, seriously, thank you for the time. Thank you for the effort for the music. Thank you for the music. Thank you for training me when I was, a young girl in any mind. Even if you just have, ano ba yun? You had, ano tawag doon? Jet lag? Jet lag. And then Beavern called you to train me ASAP. You had the patience. Thank you for the patience. I love you. No, thank you for your patience because I had the learning curve in learning all of the software before. So now that you trained me, I'm ano ba to? I'm paying it forward. Paying it forward. I'm paying it forward to the L1.
To the second person.
So I'm passing the mic to the first day.
First salary, first payslip.
Yeah. I'll miss you.
Have you met?
Thank you for believing in me. And good luck to your future endeavors.
Thank you,
meron pa.
Jinzy, for the memories.
Thanks for the memories.
Thank you for the support, the love,
And for
the
posting
joy.
the joy.
Yes. Thank you for attending my nothing. For ghosting me.
Or ghost.
We love you. I love you. I hope you love yourself.
Thank you for all the laughters together.
We going up.
Kasi we're still,
Remember?
always remember we love you.
Up. It's your moment. Yeah.
We're gonna up.
Gamit ang mo. Urgency lang.
Bakit hindi niya alam yung golden?
Gen Z, watch Golden na.
And, wala mo ba kaming ka-heart?
Tapos lagay mo, Gen Z.